Hi guys, please subscribe my channel. Today was very interesting topic. I want to share my experience that I cracked my TCS interview. How I cracked as a non-IT person. I'm from a mechanical background. I will be sharing my experience how I had cracked my TCS interview. Right? Please subscribe my channel. So going to the topic. First they are HR technical round as well as HR round. After clearing my written exam, I got a interview mail that you have an interview on some particular date. The HR, there will be a technical interview and a HR interview. In technical interview, they asked me. They directly went into the topic. They read my resume. Went into the topic of C programming, right? They directly asked me question without introduction. So I was a little bit nervous, like I was like blank first of all. I was feeling very nervous. So the interviewer was recognized that and told me that please introduce yourself, Vinay. So I introduced myself. After that, I introduced hobbies, everything. You know that. So what kind of knowledge you have in C programming? They asked me that. So I was very confident. I learned C programming. But before going to that, when I wrote a written exam of TCS, I have a zero knowledge in C programming. I have zero knowledge in Python. I have zero knowledge in Java. After clearing my written exam, I learned C language, basic Python and basic Java. Because I given in my resume was I know I was very confident about C. I know C. I was mentioned in that in my resume. So this was the reason why I learned these all the things. So after that, please be first of all, please be prepared with your resume. Read your resume. The maximum these are the questions asked from your resumes only, and your project was very important. Please be prepared with your project. If you are a fresher, please be prepared with your project. Please be prepared. If you are a mechanical or a EC or civil or a CSE, nothing works there. Only your technical, which you are mentioned in your resume, and in your kind of knowledge you gained, what kind of difficulties you faced in your project. These are the main important things for the interviewer. So they asked me about C programming. What do you know about C programming? What do you know key tools? And the keywords in C programming. What are the running softwares right now in IT field? So I told machine learning and artificial intelligence. So according to my knowledge, uh, so after that, so you're from mechanical engineering background. Why you're shifting to IT field? Why then? First of all, after MCET, you can join into the CS. Why you're shifting? You have wasted 4 years of engineering and mechanical engineering. They try to pressurize you. Please be prepared with these questions. My interview was a little bit very smooth manner. Coming to my project was an automatic grass cutting robot. Please be prepared. Every topic, what is the role in your project, what kind of difficulties you faced in your project. They asked me what was the cost of your project. My project was 7,500, the total cost. Please be prepared with this also. After this, after that, everything was over. After that, he asked me, "Do you have any questions, Vinay?" So I asked nearly 4 to 5 questions. Please ask questions because the interviewer will be knowing that yeah, he have interest to join in TCS. I asked 4 to 5 questions. After that, the HR round. On the same day, I got HR round. In HR round, please introduce yourself, and why you have to hire you. Are you willing to relocate? For every question, I gave an example. I love traveling. For every question, I try to give an example. It works for me. It may work for you or not. I don't know, but it works for me. I given for every question I given an example for that, so it works me. Why have to hire you? What is your hobbies? In my hobbies, I told that I like to communicate with a lot of people. So there is a lot of prolongation. The question was a lot of prolongated. My answer was also prolongated. There is a two-side conversation between HR and me. So please be in a way that not in a one-side conversation. Please be in a way that in two-side conversations. Please try to interact with HR or a technical managers. If you don't know the question, please say frankly that I don't know the question. Don't try to say something. If you are not having if you are having a zero knowledge in particular thing, please say that I was not clear in that, so I don't remember in that, so I don't know something, I don't know this kind. Please be frank with the interviewer, because they are having a lot of experience. And I got a joining date. After that, I got a, after 2 days I think so, I got an offer letter. After one day I got a joining date, and my joining was in Kolkata. I have a great interview experience in TCS. Thank you. For Infosys interview, please subscribe my channel, please follow my channel.